have crab. And they also have fruits. Ito, oh, may Valenciana, guys. Oy, yellow watermelon. Try buksan natin to. Ooh, ulo. Yummy, yummy, yummy. So, ano ni siya? Barbecue Quest. Ayan. It's a big place to come in GC, in the middle, in the center. Yan, guys. Ang ganda. And my food. We'll be back. Daddy buying motorbike for our kids.
When they visit, if they don't visit, Mum's gonna ride it.
Wow. Ito guys, bibilhin para sa mga anakis when they come home, they can join the rides. Yan. Okay. So guys, ang motor inaayos. Walang sira pero ina-update namin. Tapos yung pabutangan, tapos sa side seat, kay bro na lang. That's where we had the Mazda, like baby's car.
Do like a huge get even worse spot, Brian. No way we can do this 2 days in a row.
Good color.
So we've got the grand total.
Yeah. So, okay guys, good evening. Wait, we cannot see each other. Ayan. Ginagamit ko yung tripod ko guys, na malaki. Na binili natin sa Shopee. If you want to have a look, ang ganda niya guys. Nabili ko na tripod. Ito siya guys. Yan. May handle siya. Yan. Tapos may hook siya dito. Tapos ganun siya. Makapal. So, I started to use it. Ito naman ay binili ko matagal na. This must be like 2-3 years old. Dalawa yan eh. We got another one there. So, mag-spray ako kasi hindi ako nakapag-spray. Mag-spray muna tayo ng para sa lamok guys. Ayan.
Exactly. $1,000.
para din luhan.
Nick giving away the Honda dirt bike also. Look at the size of that bad boy. Wow.
Africa Twin 1100cc. Wow. Owned by Mr. Howe. Congratulations.
1,100 at big bike.
Nice, bud.
Hmm.
That is a crazy, crazy bike. Wow. Imagine the power on that thing.
Yeah. Imagine the power of the power. The power of the power. Did you want that? You want?
Yeah.
Which one?
Green one.
Hello, sir. Yeah. Pleasure to meet you. Have we met? Oh, fantastic. Fantastic. I'm great. I'm so happy. Oh. Eddie. Yeah. Pleasure to meet you, Eddie. There you go. Smith. Yeah, Michael Smith. Yeah. So this, we didn't see this fully yesterday, but this, oh, that's what it's going to look like when it's done, I guess. Oh, amazing. Okay. So this is what I was talking about yesterday. Look at this. Amazing running track. You can do your 100 meter, 1500 meter, 2000 meter, whatever. They got shot put. They're doing shot put.
Spray na tayo for the mosquitoes. Na hindi tayo makagat ng mosquitoes. So may mga t-shirt pa tayo dito guys. Ibibigay.
So yeah, the whole stadium is getting
Bigay natin. May nag-order kasi.
Alright, let's go say hello to them. Then we gotta go over to the seafood. Hello guys. Are you guys like a track team? Yes. Nice. Alright, what are you doing lunges or? Okay.
So today, anong ginawa namin today? Nagkuha kami ng papers na tricycle. So naibigay na siya. And then this week ay magpa-register tayo ng sasakyan. So ito yung natin. Papers for the car. Or siyang title ng lupa. Pero ito siya. Yung mga papers ng sasakyan. Pinag-prepare na siya natin for review. Prepare na siya natin for review this week. Magpa-register tayo. May mga naiwan pa tayo ng mga stickers. Bless you, Daddy. Ito, mga stickers pa tayo dito. Pero marami pa tayo dito, guys. Nag-order kasi ako ng bag. Tara! Dito. Yung mga stickers natin. For the phone. And then for motorbike. Ayan. Attractive siya kasi yung pink. Ayan. So yan ang ginawa namin today. Inisikaso yung papers ng motor. Tapos inisikaso din yung tricycle namin guys. Kailangan siya taasan. Medyo mababa siya. So tomorrow yan siya gagawin. I heard na mga 2K ang singil to price it up. So hindi ko lang alam kung right price siya o ano, pero yan ang chart. So dito kami sa Bacolod. So ayan, nanonood sila din ng YouTube. Tapos ako ay galing na sa taas. So baba na tayo. May helmet pa guys. Nasira yung cover ng helmet. So hindi na siya good. And ano pa ba ginawa natin today? Yan. No major thing na ginawa natin except yun lang. Tapos nagluto lang ako guys ng kaunting pagkain ni Daddy. May mga pagkain pa siya sa rep. Yun ang kinain niya, which is good.
Which circle?
And then,
So and that is the restaurant
umalis
on top of the
kami,
hill that we've
naiwan ko yung license ko sa ano.
and look at all
Naiwan ko yung license ko sa office
How long
ng
did it take to put this together?
binilhan ng motor sa Tangog. Malayo siya sa amin. So, pinuntahan namin doon kinuha. Yung papers. So, naiwan siya. And, napintahan na din ni Bubu yung third floor at saka yung second floor. Napintahan na niya yung tiles. Tapos, is-sealed na lang yung pinta. Tapos, yun na din siya guys. Wala na rin tayong gagawin. So, this is our life in Philippines. Dito muna kami sa Pilipinas. Tambay-tambay sa Philippines. Nagpapahinga. Ganyan lang. Kain lang. Paggabi. Actually, last night, pumunta kami sa isang restaurant. All you can eat for $299 dito sa NGC sa Bacolod. Medyo sa isang place, medyo marami na silang umiikot na all you can eat. May mga seafoods, ganyan, pizza, ganyan. So doon kami kagabi sa Filipino foods, guys. Ayan. Okay naman, nag-enjoy naman kami ng 300 pesos each namin. Plus, binayaran din yung drinks. Mga 50 plus yung isang bottle. 50 plus yung isang bottle ng drink. Ay, hindi ko pa na-receive. O, tag 50 isang bottle ng Mountain Dew. At saka yung Sunmig is 80. Dito sa bahay, 45 lang yan. Ayan, guys. So, apat kami nakabayad. 1,426. Ayan. So, ito yung receipt. Kinagot ko na lang. Kasi sinusulat lahat na mga expenses na. Ito guys, nakasulat siya lahat everyday. Tara! So, nakasulat siya. Araw-araw yan guys. Everyday. Yun. Sulat siya everyday. So, para hindi natin malimutan. O, diba? So, ganito kami guys. Buhay namin sa Pilipinas. Sino si April na sa baba. Ako dito sa second floor. Nag-vlog. Ayan. Dito ako sa office area ko. Ayan, ang office area ko guys. Tapos, yun ang mga laman ng office. Ayan. So, chill lang. Kung may ginagawa ako ng mga paper. Chill. And then, yun na guys. Ayaw ko nang may lamok. May mga dengue cases kasi dito sa aming subdivision at sa aming barangay. Marami siya. Nearly 50 ang nagka-dengue. So, we have to be careful lang tayo. So, that's it. And we shall see you in our next video. Mag-say goodbye tayo kay Daddy. Mosi. Nandito siya sa loob. Dad, say goodbye. For you.
Goodbye.
Ano, what did you get?
A shot.
Coke Zero.
It's only 190 mils. Just a mouthful.
Good night.
Good night. I already had me 10 mils, so it's only 180 mils now.
Tubo. So, ayan guys, iniinom niya ay Coke Zero. Tapos, ako naman water. Ay, he's got nagaraya there. Like mine. Pareho kami. So, ayan na guys. Yan na ang life natin dito sa Philippines. We shall see you guys in our next vlog. Yan lang ang buhay natin dito. I hope na nag-enjoy kayo. Where? Yeah, I showed that one. But not upstairs. Not yet. Oo. Hindi pa sa taas, hindi pa siya tapos guys. Pero I'm gonna try and show you. Because when I went up there today, it's dark. It's got mosses. This tonight when I went there. So I didn't vlog. I was in a hurry to cook my food. So, ayan. Okay na. Thank you so much guys for watching. And we shall see you guys in our next vlog. Good night.